Hi guys. I was not about to record this video because tomorrow is my exam. In fact, today is my exam. After 5 6 hours, today is my exam because it's 22nd February and 12:07 is the timing. So today is my exam, guys, and I hope that you are or you all are giving me wishes and may your wishes fulfill. Guys, today's session is not going to be a kind of casual session, but it is going to be a little bit frank one. That's also considered casual. Okay, sorry. So it's like the talk, a friend to friend talk, student to student talk. So actually, guys, so today we are going to sit for our English exam, and the English exam is I mean, it is classified, or it consists of three sections. Section A. So section A I have completed. So only strategy is going to work in section A, and for section B I would say your your the way you put the ideas. Okay, so that is to be remembered and not going to be a big issue. It is also good, completely fine. Then comes our section C, that is all about what we have learned or what we have known for almost a year. And guys, the school has over. The school has over. I am no longer a school student. Well, I'm going to give the examination, but it's all done about the school, about the schooling. So, guys, today is our exam. Not just take it casually. It's not a big deal. It's all about you just have to write the exam. What do you know? That's it. Your exam is not going to take you anywhere. And if you are associating yourself with the phrases that teachers would, do for you, that is hollow. Guys, literally, that is hollow. The teacher would be phrasing you, on the next day they will forget. They'll only the your focus should be on what exam. If it is all about the exam, so you must focus that which exam can give you something. Well, it's kind of a little bit selfishness, but it's true. It's not about, see, study is not about study, education is not about the job or anything to want, anything to get. But exams, yeah, they are all about. And these type of exam, like whatever you have learned from the books, write it. So these types of exams I consider that they deserve to be treated like this, because exams are literally what do an exam play? What role does an exam play in your life? Literally nothing. No role. So take it easy. It's not a big deal, yaar. Literally, it's not a big deal. You would be going tomorrow in the school. You'll be taking your exam. Okay, so in this video, Let's discuss something about hmm, important. Yeah, notice. So notice the format of the notice is you must remember, make a box, I mean like this, and just let it open from the bottom, because it will, you would be adjusting the things. So leave the space, proper space for that. Like I'm watching in my eyes, but literally I'm not watching in my eyes, but I can see. Well, okay. So the name of the organization, notice, date, topic, and then start the school is going to is organizing flower making contacts this on date is necessary, venue is necessary, time is necessary. Okay, on Sunday, or you can write like this event is going to be organized on Sunday. ठीक है, 21st June और ऐसा this type of you can do. Then thank you, it's optional, your name, and then your post. Then comes our notice we have done. Then we have our, yeah, report writing, very easy. After notice I'd say even invitation, so that is also very easy. You just have to put name, date, venue. Okay, and it's going to be easy literally. And when it is about the school function, the principal, staff, and student of this feel cordially invite you. This type of things you can use for report writing. If it is about the newspaper report, then date and place and date, and then start, write the topic by date and date, start, 3 paragraphs, done, easy. And then comes your job application. Board writing was last. First comes your job application. So for job application, you know better. Like you know literally what you have to do. You just have to, job application. Yeah, write the sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, then salutation, sir. Start, through the advertisement published in the newspaper, in the newspaper, through the advertisement published in the Hindu, dated on, dated itta itta. I have come to know that uh, a post of this and this has vacant is, या कह सकते हैं post of this is vacant in your organization, finding myself suitable, I want to apply for this, इतना लिख देंगे. लास्ट में आप अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन बताएंगे, लास्ट में आप लिख देंगे I very kindly request you to consider my case favorably, and I will prove, I assure you that I will prove up to your expectation. बस. Then you will say thank you. Then after thank you, what would you say, what would you do? Suppose you have written thank you, then yours faithfully, yours faithfully, uh, your name, that's it. Don't worry guys, it's a very common and easy paper. It's not Chinese at least. And don't panic, because suppose that it's all about, it's the paper for testing your patience, your panicness. It's not the paper about writing in the, everyone can write. It's all about how you behave in such situation, how you would be, tackling with that situation. And it is just about that, not more than that. Oh, You must be cool, calm. After all, it's just a paper. Don't attach your feelings with a single sheet of paper. When it's about the paper, just write it. Just write it what you know, whatever you know. It's not, when you are giving the paper, it's not about what you don't know, but it's all about what you know and how you are presenting this. That's it. Guys, okay? For mm, everything is easy. It's literally easy. So, guys, there's no need to worry about anything. We have 4 minutes, and we are going to have. See, you're going to rock. We are going to rock. Going to rock here does not mean that we are going to, you know, we are going to have the answer of everything. No, but how we just we are supposed not to not to make the individual make the examiner know that we know. Okay, guys, so it's really going to be great experience for us, and literally I would say that it's all about your authenticity. It's not about what how the other person is getting, good command on something, or how someone. See, it is life, and there are people who are better than you. They are much better than you, but it's not the ending, right? Play this game. One thing I just want from you, that is dependent totally on you. That I'm again saying that it is not the test of your facts, your memory, but it's all about how you tackle with such situation. And you need to be cool, calm, composed. Suppose if you have missed both the section A, B, and C, then also I want that attitude, that outlook, that reaction from you. I want that just I just want that reaction. Okay, that's it. Hmm? Okay. You have been a naughty boy, maybe. You have been watching something, some movies, porn, any kind of videos, cartoon videos, um, YouTube shorts, comedy videos, Harsh Beniwal, Harry Minati, this, that. It has nothing to do with who you are. Okay, and just be yourself there. Be yourself. You are the only one in this world. Remember this. You are the only one in this whole world, and it's not about. Don't take it as a motivation. Don't take teachers' advice as motivation. Just okay, go. I have trust on you. Go, rock on. You're going to rock. No, that's not about this. It's all about you and you. It's not about how will you write the paper. It's all about when you will be writing anything. What would you thinking? What would be your condition? एंड हाउ वुड यू फीलिंग। बस यही है सीन। आज के वीडियो में जल्दी ख़त्म करूँगा क्योंकि भाई सोने वाला है यार, बहुत नींद आ रही है। ठीक है, सुबह मिलते हैं आराम से, 6-7 बजे अपन उठेंगे आराम से मस्त। और मस्त आराम से ऐश करेंगे। है गाइस, चलो ठीक है, आज का वीडियो इतना ही होगा। बाय बाय।